Meaning of Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama.
Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama. The Dalai Lama is a title given to spiritual leaders within the Tibetan Buddhist tradition. It literally means ocean teacher in Mongolian and Tibetan. The current Dalai Lama is Tenzin Gyatso, who was born in 1935 in Tibet and was recognized as the 14th Dalai Lama at the age of 5. He became a prominent and respected figure in the global community, advocating for human rights, religious harmony, and world peace. His teachings emphasize compassion, nonviolence, and the inner cultivation of wisdom and ethics.